Go, Marty. Oh, hard level na yan ah. Nag-exercise si Modis sa gabi. Hard level na yan ah. Sa Harmony Park ito eh. Oh, hard level yan ah. Oh, nag-turn hand si Marty. Left naman. Turn the wheel. Counterclockwise naman. Counterclockwise. Clockwise pala, clockwise. Oh, ito naman big wheel. Big wheels naman. Dito sa big wheel. Careful dito sa big wheels, okay? Okay, turn. Di maabot.
Hindi maabot.
3 wheels yan eh. Okay. Nabidyo mo na?
Read mo yung instructions.
Yeah, this one more strong. Yeah, just the daddy kasi hindi strong. Where's the bulb? Ah, here.
Strong ba ito? What is that? Cool.
This one for the...
That one for strong eh. Strong ka eh. Strong ka kasi nag-eat ka ng vegetable eh.
Okay, stop mo na.
Push, pull. Push, pull.
Kuhanan mo?
Wait, nag-lights yun oh. Ito oh, nag-lights. Ito. Oy, mag-lights oh. Magla-lights. That's so cool.
Video mo?
Na-video ko na eh. May lights.
May lights ba?
May lights na on yung lights eh. Mapapower yan pang ano ka eh. Pang nagwawalk ka dyan eh.
May lights ba?
May lights pa. If you start running, if you start moving, then the lights will on. If you stop moving, the lights will off.
Pwede na?
Mind up dyan, ano yun? Mind up. Ooh, what is that one?
Video mo?
Oh, very. It's rotating. I'm not scared. There's somebody biking.
Ano na? Ilang minutes?
This one is
Kaya
kita.
face ni Daddy?
Yeah.
Face, dito naman sa kabila. Dito, dito. Saan ba ito pwede? Dito pa.
Big wheel. Big wheel. Big wheel. Big wheel. If you go like
Dito
this,
ka sa likod ni Daddy. Dito ka banda mo dito. Dito.
if you, it's like so cool.
Ulitin mo, start mo siya. Yeah. Kita si Daddy?
Kita.
Zoom in mo, okay? Huwag zoom out para... Kita ba?
Kita. "42 seconds na ito eh.
Okay.
Yan eh. Hydraulic arm pull yan eh. Uy. Uy, namamove ito eh.
Okay lang. Oops. Okay lang, sige, video mo na.
Nabibidyo yan. How are you supposed to use it? Yeah.
Video mo na.
Nabibidyo ko eh.
Balik na ito. Dito.
One handle lang yun eh.
Dalawa eh. Dalawa start eh.
Just don't slip.
Dito mo na.
Yan, nabibidyo. 21 seconds.